If you have fat on your lower tummy, the part that hangs down, that lower tummy will become completely flat. In just 2 days, if you have fat on your thighs, it will be completely gone. If you have fat on your hips, that will be gone too. If your legs are thick, they will become totally toned. If you don't believe me, then do the exercises with me right now, just like I show you. Then take some time out and try them yourself as well. Do them properly for 2 days and then let me know how much of a difference you noticed or if you saw any results. You will definitely see results if you follow my method exactly. If you feel lethargic and sluggish all day, your belly keeps growing, you don't know what to do, the amount of medicines you take keeps increasing, you want to reduce your medication, lose fat, stay energetic, and work out with me to get rid of your fat as quickly as possible, then you can join my online classes. Now let me tell you in detail about the 3 exercises you need to do daily to get rid of this lower tummy fat as fast as possible. Look, all other fat can be reduced easily, but this lower tummy fat is so stubborn. Even if you walk for 1 to 2 hours, you'll see that the lower tummy fat doesn't go away. I've experienced this myself. I tried many exercises, tried everything, even stopped eating, but my lower tummy didn't reduce. So how did I finally lose my lower tummy fat? Which exercises did I do that gave me the maximum results? And whenever I feel like I've overeaten at a function or party, if I miss working out for 6 to 7 days, sometimes even I have to go on long journeys, but then I just do these exercises and get back to my performance. So let me show you which exercises you should do as well. And if you have more fat or more thigh fat and want to keep them toned. So first of all, watch carefully how to do the exercise. After getting into this position, lift your legs like this. Now, don't pause here. First, bring one leg forward like this, and as you lower it from the lower body, look up and stretch. Do this first, then return and repeat with the other leg. Do the exercise in this way. And how many repetitions at minimum? As many as you can do, but if you're doing it for the first time, make sure to do at least 20 repetitions. You need to do 2 sets of 20 repetitions in one go. You can do them slowly and relax in between. It's not necessary to do 50 sets at once. Gradually, as your capacity increases, you can increase the number accordingly. But this exercise is a very good one. First, this also helps with your stretching. And second, it means your whole body starts burning calories as the entire body is engaged. So you need to stretch for this. Definitely do this exercise. Now pay close attention to the second exercise. Lie down completely. You can even do it lying on your bed. If you have back pain and are doing this for the first time, put your hands under your lower back. As you get used to it, you can take your hands away. If your back is fine and you have no pain, then I would say your back pain could get worse because this creates a lot of pressure on your lower belly as well as your hips. So definitely place your hands under your lower back. Now, how many should you do? 100 repetitions, and after that, you have to hold for 30 counts. What does it mean to hold? Let me show you. Do it like this. First, do 100 repetitions like this. Make sure that your legs do not drop down at any point. Bend one leg, keep the other straight. Do you understand this method? Let's complete the 100 repetitions. At 100, hold for a count of 30. This is a very effective exercise designed to help you build endurance and strength while also burning fat. As you count each number, focus on maintaining a steady rhythm and proper form. You will feel a bit of pressure, but unless you create that pressure, the fat won't burn. You have to do it. The sensation of pressure is a sign that your muscles are working and your body is responding to the exercise. But if you feel too much pressure and can't continue, then keep doing the movement up to 50 repetitions, then hold for a count of 30. Remember, it is important to listen to your body and not push yourself beyond your limits. If you need to stop at 50 repetitions, that is perfectly fine. Just make sure to hold for 30 counts at the end of your set. And you must do at least 2 sets of this exercise a day. 100 repetitions, hold for 30 counts. Then again, 100 repetitions, hold for 30 counts. Do at least 2 sets. Performing 2 sets ensures that you are giving your muscles enough work to stimulate growth and fat loss. And if you don't have much work or aren't too busy, you can even do 3 sets. Adding a third set can further enhance your results, helping you achieve your fitness goals more quickly. Throughout the exercise, keep your breathing steady and controlled. Inhale as you prepare for each movement and exhale as you complete each repetition. Proper breathing will help you maintain your energy and focus. Remember, consistency is key. Doing this exercise regularly with the correct number of repetitions and sets will lead to noticeable improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Stay motivated, keep pushing yourself, and celebrate your progress along the way. You are capable of achieving great results with dedication and effort. If you do 3 sets, you'll get maximum results very quickly. Your lower body will become completely flat. Now, take a look at the third exercise. It will be a bit tougher, so you can relax like this. Remember, your body only becomes as strong as the challenges you give it. When you create pressure on your body, like for instance when you slap someone, the harder you slap, the more it actually hurts your own hand as well. In the same way, the more pressure you consistently put on your body, the stronger it will eventually become. All right, your body is relaxed now. Next, get into this position for a moment. You have to sit and lift yourself like this, as if you're sitting on a small chair. Stay in this position and steadily count to 50. Now, to help yourself relax even more, do the butterfly pose like this while lying comfortably in the warm sun. You will feel completely relaxed. So, one set of 50 repetitions is now done. Make sure to do at least 2 sets in a day, and if it's not too much work for you, do 3 sets. I can confidently say, just try this for 2 days and you'll see a significant effect. In just 2 days, you'll start to feel that your belly is reducing automatically, almost effortlessly. But if you want results so noticeable that others can see the difference, then after 7 days, people themselves will tell you, hey, where did your belly go that used to hang out? Then your thighs will also slim down and your hips, who knows where they'll go. Even your friends will ask you how you got results so quickly, because you should try doing these kinds of exercises too. Let me know how you felt, and if you liked the video, do like and share it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye and take care.